Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Hollandaise sauce. Start by separating 3 egg yolks and whisking them gently over a barely simmering water bath while melting 8 tablespoons of butter into clarified butter. Keep heat low and move continuously to avoid scrambling. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice and a pinch of cayenne for brightness, then gradually pour warm butter while whisking until thick and glossy. In this video, I will show how to make Hollandaise sauce. Begin by setting up a double boiler with simmering water and a heat-proof bowl that nests on the pan without touching the water. Crack and separate 3 eggs, measure 8 tablespoons of butter to clarify, and ready a whisk for constant motion. Keep ingredients warm but not hot, and strain melted butter if needed to remove solids before combining. In this video, I will show how to make Hollandaise sauce. Whisk egg yolks with a teaspoon of water over the double boiler until ribbons form and the mixture thickens slightly. Slowly drizzle in warm, clarified butter in a steady stream while whisking constantly to build a stable emulsion. Season with a teaspoon of lemon juice, salt, and a pinch of cayenne, then taste and adjust seasoning before serving immediately over vegetables or eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.